Namaste. This is a practice to get into Garudasana.
Eagle posture. Asymmetrical standing balancing posture. Bring awareness to your breath. All four corners of your feet. Begin to lift your right leg off the ground. Anchor through your heel and cross your right leg over your left. Arms out to a T. Cross the left arm over the right. Lower belly, lower ribs engage. Scapular abduction. Shoulder blades descend down the back. Either bring the backs of the hands together or pressing together and up. Garuda is a fierce bird of prey and vehicle of Lord Vishnu. Go ahead and uncross your legs, stretch out the foot behind you and your fingertips forward. Switch sides. Root through all four corners of your right foot. Lift up your left. Allow hip and knee flexion. Lateral shift of the pelvis. Right hip and knee internally rotate as they cross. Cross right arm over left. And this time maybe fly. Open the front of the body. Expand in all directions. And come back to center. Palms together at the heart. Bring awareness to 3 things you have to be grateful for in this moment.